double if you got your funky bus fare. There's a double Dutch bus coming down the street, moving dirty fast, so kinda shuffle your feet. Get on the bus, pay your fare, then tell the driver that you're going to a double Dutch affair. Well, I'll be darned. Here it comes. The double Dutch bus is on the street. You better get off the curb. Move your feet. Bus fare, transpass. That's the way my money lasts. Ain't got no car to get around. When I go to work, I gotta go downtown. Now I miss my train. That's a darn shame. When I'm running late, no sleeps to blame. If you got a plan, you know I'm right. You got a special man. Well, I can understand. Uptown, downtown, everybody's getting down. Say uptown, say downtown. Well, I miss my bus. I know I'm late. I gotta do something I know I hate. I'm gonna walk to work. 15 bucks. I already got a hole in my socks. Go ahead and laugh. That's okay, cause what I really wanna say, I got bad feet. My corns hurt. Top it off. I'm late for work. Let me tell you what I say when I'm dealing with a fucking sidewalk. I say, sugar.
Is that gizzles? Yes, I is at the mizzle. Is at the whiz, a sizzle. The giz out and giz a biz ass bizzle.
I said what's up? And this all you saw is a.
Yes, I biz out the mizzle.
I said what's up? We'll see you like Gills, baby.
Shills, gills, wheels, news, bills, baby.
We'll see you like Pizza and this double desserts. This double desserts. This double desserts. We'll see you like Pizza and this double desserts. This double desserts. This double desserts.
Music gills, I sills on bills, I bills, I gills, I with gills, I.
Pilsen.
My kizzer
We'll sing it is it.
is a kizzer,
It's always like.
is a kizzer.
It's always like this out. We'll see. We'll see.
Bip, bop, bam, alakazam. But only if you're grooving with the double Dutch man. Put on your skates, don't forget your rope. Cause I know I'm gonna see you at my double Dutch show. Rebecca, Lolita, Vashon, and Dawn. Every time you do the double Dutch, you really turn it on. Bill's Arbor, Bill's Harry, Bill's Eddie, Bill's Am, Bill's Ami, Bill's Aaron, Bill's Zombie, that's my man. Come on, get on my double Dutch bus.
The double Dutch bus.
Let me hear you say do that. Let me hear you say do that again. Let me hear you say do. Let me hear you say do.
This dance is called funky shuffle. And we facing the back wall. First, you start with the right foot, 3 step forward, walk, kick, and then the 3 back, punch. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second section, you're gonna make a full turn right by doing the walk, check, twice. So start with the right foot, walk, cha, left foot, walk, cha. Okay, let's do this with hands. So after your back touch, start with the right foot, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And for this section, instead of doing a walk around, you can say in press, you just do the right foot, side lock, recover in press, cha, 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 side lock, recover in press, cha, cha, cha. Let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10. This is the Indian option. And then the third station, you do start with the right foot to the rumble, recover, right foot, coaster, step, and repeat to the other side, lock, recover, coaster, step. Okay, the third it comes, right foot, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the fourth section, first you do the right foot forward, and then with a 3 bounce, you will quarter turn left, and your weight end on your left foot. So you do the 3 bounce, 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 and then 2 here together, here together, here together. Okay, this section, so after your third section, you do the left coaster step, and this after the right foot is count 1, 2, 3, 4.